So uh, good evening. This of life is put the formula is if tab, then my logical test is V2 greater than 100,000 comma double in commas, and capital P basically is the sign of tick and capital O is the sign of cross. So if you give any message, then use the words, and if you write just send the number, you don't need to put the double quotes. So then the three parts of this form that is called is logical test. Next part is value if true, then value if false. The center that is because your salary is not greater than 400,000, therefore the sign shows 4. How to copy this one? Double click, automatically down. But right now I would like to see, don't want to see capital O. I would like to convert capital O. The O sign basically is the cross and P sign is the sign of tick. So that is your status. I'm just mentioned here. That is the status. Enter. Control B. I'm just bold this one. I'm just select only. Then go to font style. I'm just typing a wing spacebar 2. So I just select the wing is automatically my sign cross and in the cell is 400,000 see automatically my sign. So this can cross. So this is can pick one. If I insert, first move cursor here, control spacebar is the shortcut key to select the entire column. If you want to insert, control plus. Sometimes control must do it. Sometimes you don't have a numeric pad, then you use control shift E sign. Then just put here designation. I'm just here manager. Here is the accountant. Next is again manager. Next is again is what is the shortcut key to auto fit column? I'm already telling you this one. Otherwise you can double click here, control Z, come back, alt O C. You can it comes here, alt O C, A for column. This auto fit column, right? Alt O C A. The shortcut key is column auto fit. So this is my definitions are here. On the designation base, calculate mobile allowance and traveling allowance. I put here mobile allowance, control V. I just select this according to designation. If you guys are as this one, you set this one is the while allowance is 1500 and rest of guys are 150 flexi card. I put here if equal sign, you write any formula, put equal sign, a plus sign, both are used. I put a formula tab. What is my designation? I'm just move arrow key on the left side. You see there are three parts of this formula is there. That is called value logical test is there, right? Because this thing is bold. And C2 equals double quote. I'm use the double quote. I put here manager. Double quote close, comma. What is the result? Because my point is that if that guys are manager, then the mobile allowance is 1500. Otherwise, because you see here I don't put double quote because only number I just put 1500, and next values are 150. Enter. Here the values is 1 and rest of guys are this one is, and just put your cursor. This is 1.15. This is my this formula. Then I use the my policy if this company, if the accounts are manager, then account executive, so then I can put the mobile allowance. A policy is that. Then I use border, so I'm just equal if tag. I've just put the mobile is, again go to there and equal sign double quotes, put the manager, close comma, the end comma, again keep I put content. Then the policy is if your band is accountant, then the amount is 1000, comma, if put again if, then is the sale executive. This one I'm going cursor here, equal sign double quote sales executive executive double quote close comma, then mobile allowance is 800. Otherwise I don't put here. If the all condition is not true, then I goes to value if false. So that value are 50. How many start to the press is close? First is purple, then is red, then is the last one is black. I'm just put here that is your formula is according to my policy. That is your, that is the guys are manager. Then 1500. How to make right? Just here see your now says 1. So cell is that sign is nested. And this is my outline. this is a put formula. So just one and Control C. Our formula is that is called nested if, and just put here this one. Just code. Just sign it here. This space bar will be this formula nested if, right? And just go there. The color is and like and just select this one and Alt MC merge cell, Alt double H and use this one, right? And this color. This is my nested if. And just put the sign is okay. Right now I create the same policy. If you like this one, this is my nested if formula, right? I just select this one and Alt HJ is the shortcut key. Styles and comma 0. These values are this one is simple if, right? And just select Control C, move here, Control V, and just put here if. What is the formula? And just go to copy the formula here. Control C, press escape, move cursor here, escape, right? Just go there. This formula here, Control C, and move cursor here. Space bar, Control V. This is my formula. Alt double H and go to the Control V bold. This is formula for if. Okay, right now I'm create a policy of my mobile allowance. I just go to outside there. The policies are here, right? If the guys are manager, if the guys are accountant, if sale exec, and if that guys are others, this is my policy. This my donations are there. That's a mobile allowance. I'm just go there. This is my policies there, right? I'm just select this one and go to this. Amount mobile allowance is 1500. It is 1000. This is 800. Rest of guys are different, right? This is my policies. Merge here, mobile allowance. Control A, Alt MMD is key. Define name that is automatically pick my range is that is x1 to x3, and just move this one is 2. Just okay. The name is called mobile allowance, right? And just select this one from here. Automatically my names come mobile allowance. Okay, I'm just put this as my VLOOKUP formula. I'm just select this one, Control C, I just move here, that is VLOOKUP. I get as mobile allowance, Control C, that is your. Go to Home tab. I'm just click on this one. It's a different one. Therefore, I book here. That is. using VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, you have four parts. Is equal to VLOOKUP. Just press tab key. There are four parts of this formula. That is, first part is lookup value. Second is called table array. Now next part is column index number. In range lookup, there are two things inside. One is true, one is false. True means approximate match and false means exact match. But in this scenario, what is my lookup value? My lookup value is manager. And just click on C2, then comma, then my table array. Otherwise, you can see where is your database. What is the value of lookup? That is your lookup value. Where is your database? Then I go to this particular database, then go there. But if you know the database name, then you can go there. If you have so many names but you don't memorize, then you press only function. You see that is your mobile numbers. Automatically those tables are selected. Can't you see? If you want to go there in the next part of this one, automatically my tables are selected. And then comma, in which column you have column mobile numbers. This is your first one. This one is your second column. That is called column index number. This is 1, this one is 2, but your mobile numbers is column number 2. Therefore, I am giving the column index number 2. Then put comma. There are two things in the range lookup. First thing is called true. That is called approximate match. And next part is false, that is called match, exact match. You can put 1 for true, 0 for false. You can put false, you can also put 0. 0 means exact match. I'm just enter. But one problem is there. I'm just enter, that is pick my values. This is my another color. So just differentiate, you can see this one. And double click is not working because that is your one is this thing is there. It's up there because that assistant is not giving in your table. But my question is that if you gave another guys, but mobile allowance is must be paid in 150 flexi card. But how can we activate? If you click this one is like just press F2 key. You can edit the formula and just click on if error formula. If error, this is my first formula is value, where the value that is comes from the VLOOKUP value. Then comma, the next part if the shows the error, just like this one is error, then put 150 is the flexi card. And just put this my formula for VLOOKUP is closed. Then if error start with the blue, then to close with blue signs, and control key hold and enter. Then my cells are comes. That is my VLOOKUP formula. I'm using the allowance. This one comes from VLOOKUP with error. So I'm just formulas copy from press skip here. I'm just come control space bar control V. This is from my this control V. Just like here VLOOKUP. Let's go to Alt H A L. The text is left. So I am using three formulas are there. Firstly, I am learn about if. The next part is called VLOOKUP with error, and next one is nested if. I am use the nested if is here, right? if there this space, and to can from this one, and how to can remove this one, Alt E, the all the what you have cell is much, you just select on this part, Alt double L, and no fill is there, right? Firstly, you have seen this one is your formula, right? And just go there, Alt, and you can come formulas I'm using. This one is also if, and just copy, control key, hold and drag it. This copy is also. So I'm using these formulas are with videos. That is my lectures. You can see and just select Alt H and see that is my cell are there, and go to left. So these topics you have discussed today, that is your VLOOKUP. Thank you very much for watching my video.